Hello everyone, welcome to the series on literary theories. And in this video, we are going to discuss the methodology of Lacanian critics. Introduction. Lacanian criticism, rooted in the psychoanalytic theories of Jacques Lacan, provides a unique lens through which to analyze and interpret literary texts. Unlike traditional Freudian critics, who focus on the unconscious motives and feelings of the author or characters, Lacanian critics delve into the deeper, often contradictory meanings embedded within the text itself. This approach leads to a richer understanding of the text as a complex, multi-layered entity that reflects broader psychoanalytic concepts. Uncovering the unconscious of the text. Lacanian critics, much like their Freudian counterparts, pay close attention to unconscious motives and feelings. However, they shift their focus from the author or characters to the text itself. This process involves searching out the text's underlying currents of meaning, those that are not immediately apparent in the conscious or surface level of the text. These hidden layers, or the text's subconscious, often reveal contradictions and ambiguities that challenge the straightforward interpretation of the narrative. This process of uncovering and exposing these undercurrents aligns closely with the concept of deconstruction, a method of reading that seeks to reveal the inherent instability of meaning within a text. Identifying Lacanian symptoms and phases. Lacanian critics also examine literary works for the presence of psychoanalytic symptoms or phases that Lacan identified, such as the mirror stage or the dominance of the unconscious. The mirror stage, for example, is a crucial phase in Lacan's theory where an individual first identifies with their reflection, leading to the formation of the ego. In literary analysis, this concept can be used to explore characters' sense of self and identity as reflected in the text. Similarly, the sovereignty of the unconscious, a central theme in Lacanian theory, is often demonstrated in literature through the irrational, the dreamlike, or the inexplicable elements that disrupt the logical flow of the narrative. Broader Lacanian orientations, lack and desire. Another critical approach taken by Lacanian critics is to interpret literary texts through the lens of broader Lacanian concepts, such as lack or desire. Lacan posited that human desire is always structured around a fundamental lack, a gap between the self and what it perceives as the object of its desire. In literature, this concept can manifest in various forms, such as unfulfilled love, unattainable goals, or the elusive nature of truth. Lacanian critics explore how these themes of lack and desire drive the narrative forward, shaping the characters' actions and the overall trajectory of the plot. Language, the unconscious, and the anti-realist text. Lacanian views about language and the unconscious play a crucial role in how these critics approach literary texts. Lacan argued that the relationship between the signifier or word and the signified or meaning is inherently unstable, leading to the elusiveness of meaning. For Lacanian critics, this instability is particularly evident in anti-realist texts, those that challenge conventional representations of reality. Such texts often play with language, structure, and form in ways that highlight the centrality of the unconscious, making the text itself a demonstration of Lacan's theories about the nature of language and meaning. Conclusion. Lacanian critics bring a distinctive perspective to literary analysis, focusing on the psychology of the author or characters, but on the deeper, often unconscious meanings embedded within the text. By uncovering the text's subconscious, identifying psychoanalytic symptoms, and interpreting broader concepts such as lack and desire, Lacanian critics reveal the complexity and multi-layered nature of literary works. Their emphasis on the elusiveness of meaning and the role of the unconscious often leads them to favor anti-realist texts, which best exemplify these principles. Through this approach, Lacanian criticism offers a rich, nuanced interpretation of literature that challenges conventional modes of reading and understanding texts. So this was the discussion on the methodology of Lacanian critics. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.